for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord.
Yes. Kaya lang, ingat kayo sa funding. I mean, sa MOE pagkuha sa MOE. Okay. You also have to understand, you are sharing the MOE and with other activities. Marami dapat pagkagagastusan. Okay? Kaya, budgeting nyo ng maayos kung ano lang talaga ang requirement. Kasi maliit lang ang MOE. Kaya yung sinasabi ko, pwede kayo mag-innovate pero nasa work and financial plan pa din. Kasi somehow, targets yan by their school principals. Another reason bakit kailangan nasa work and financial plan. Kasi, pag wala sa plano yan, baka hindi nila tapusin. At least, pag nasa mga operation plans, strategic plans, may commitment. May commitment Uy, tinarget mo ito, bakit lang nangyayari? Diba? So, importante. Pero, kung kaya nyo i-implement, na gamit lang ay ang kagwapuan at kagandahan ninyo at mga neurons ninyo, okay? The better. Kasi you're also saving fundings. Pero may minimal kayong kaya, pero dapat approved by the head of office. Okay? And then, number 6, how are you going to monitor your project? Karamihan sa mga projects na nagagawa, hindi na rin monitor. Why? Because the indicators are not clear. Ano ba ang output indicators ko? For every activity in the work plan. So kung nag-promise ako, I will create an implementation guidelines. So my output indicator will be an implementation guideline. Dapat nakagawa ko. Pag part of it, sabi ko, I will conduct orientation on the guidelines. So, ang output ko doon, oriented participants. So, may series of activities tayong ginagawa for a project to take place. Yes, very good question. Time frame is very important. As an innovator or project proponent, ikaw ang magsasabi gaano katagal